The prominent opposition leader Dr. Lam Akol has called on the ceasefire monitoring body, CTSAM VM, to investigate last week's violation of the cessation of hostilities agreement in Upper Nile state. In a statement, Dr. Lam stated that CTSAM VM has been mandated by the revitalized peace agreement to investigate any violation. He called on the ceasefire monitoring body, CTSAM VM, to investigate those fighting in Panyakang County in the Upper Nile state. Let the CTSAM VM come, let them come, and check who is fighting who, because this is the role that has been given to them by the peace agreement to investigate any violation of the ceasefire. So let CTSAM VM come, and then they will investigate, said Dr. Lam. According to aid agencies, the humanitarian situation in the conflict-affected areas of Upper Nile state is deteriorating. The UN Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs said early on Saturday that at least 27,000 people have been displaced by heavy fighting in Tunga and neighboring Panyakang County in the oil-rich state. The agency said last week's intensifying military clashes extended further to Pakaw and Fangak County. Last week, the leader of one of the Kitgwang factions said his troops were attacked by the forces of Gen. Simon Gatwich, the SPLA-IO under Dr. Riek Machar, and those under Dr. Lam Akol, in the Upper Nile state. Gen. Johnson Olney said fierce fighting occurred in the areas of Nile Wak and Deja, resulting in the killing of 15 of his forces and 21 civilians. According to the military commander, the civilian victims included 15 men and 6 women. In response, the spokesperson of SPLA-IO Colonel Lam Paul Gabriel denied their forces attacked those of Gen. Olney, adding that deal is still under their control. Paul claimed the Kitgwang faction of Olney was facilitated and given departure orders by the government's security organs to move from Majalis to Malakal. Dr. Lam Akol, who heads the National Democratic Movement, a signatory to the peace deal, dismissed the allegations by Gen. Johnson Olney as baseless. He said NDM forces have been in cantonment sites since 2019